So we're given a graph of a quadratic function, and quadratic functions, when you graph them, they're used that either open downward like this one, or they can open upwards. Okay? And they're asking us which of these equations represents the function. Now, the first thing you should notice when you look at these answers is that they're in vertex form. And so vertex form is something that's important for you to know. So that's a form that you need to memorize. And vertex form looks like this. It's y equals, a times x minus h squared plus k. Now, if a is positive, then the graph will open upwards like this. And if A is negative, then your U will open downwards like that. Now this one's opening downwards, so we know that that A value is going to be negative. So just real quick, if we look at our answers, and this one's got an A value of -2, that's -1, +1, +6, so it's not C or D. It's either A or B. All right. Now, we don't need to know exactly what the value of A is. That's okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to switch to H and K. And so here's the deal with H and K. So the ordered pair HK, so that's a point on the graph, that represents the vertex of the graph. So that's the location of the vertex. And the vertex is this point here on the graph. That's the vertex. And so the vertex of this graph, if I look at the coordinates of it, you go left 3 and up 4. So the vertex is at -3, comma 4. So my H value is -3 and my K value is +4. Now notice when you look at the standard form here, it's minus H. So if I put minus -3, because we said H is -3, that would turn into +3. So it's going to be X plus 3, and then the K will just be +4. So my equation is going to be, so write this down. Y equals, I don't know what the A value is. I know it's positive. And then X, we said the H is -3, so that's +3. And then the K is +4, so that's +4. So that's what my answer is going to look like. Again, the A value I just need to make sure is positive. So when I look at A and B, which we said are our two choices, A has X plus 3 and B has X minus 3, and it should be +3, so the answer is A. Okay, so you need to know whether it opens upwards or downwards. You need to know what vertex form is, so you need to memorize this. And then you need to know that HK gives you the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, so I hope that helped you out. Keep it up, and you will master the math.